Wow.
The different ones.
That's cool.
Taking a full swing, you just kind of. Alright, so today I got a little surprise. Look at my Amazon account and it said, "Is delivered on your doorstep." I was like, oh shit. So what we have here is the Garmin Approach S62. Unfortunately, we can't go to the golf courses to use it, but hey, I can play around with it a little bit. It is a watch. And what I got was the little combo with a little meter so I can stick on the ends of the club. The CT10s. So I already got 3 of them because apparently this watch is able to pick up your golf swing with your full swing clubs, but with the pitching wedges and your putter it doesn't pick it up, so that way it keeps the score for you. But you can go in and with the app and all that stuff. But big box, little box. Not that exciting.
You seem pretty excited when you picked it out of the...
Oh, of course I'm excited.
What's the price of this watch? Because I don't think I heard.
It's either $500 or $600. At least $500. I think I paid $570 after everything.
You told me it was $300.
No. I said the laser was $300, and I got this bad boy, and we talked about this.
All right, we need to stop the video right now.
No, don't be messing with me.
We're returning this right now.
We're not returning nothing. Ooh, boy. Look at that little presentation. It's like...
Hold on, leave it.
So what these little guys do is you stick them at the very end of your club. And all more or less what it does is it just tracks that, hey, I took a swing. Oh yeah! Don't even feel it. And then you go ahead and you stick it in there, screw it on. And this is at the end of your club after it's already screwed in. You don't really feel it on there. That way it tracks those small shots, like the wedge shots, because the wedges, when you're chipping around the green, you're not taking a full swing, you're just kind of hitting it like that. So the watch doesn't really pick it up. But now for the meat and potatoes. This little puppy, huh? Ooh-wee. Let's see here. I got a little. Okay. There it is, folks. Now the good thing about this watch is, not only does it track golf, it tracks your oxygen levels in your blood, it tracks your pulse, it tracks, you know, if you work out. It's the GPS watch. Oh boy, Garmin, a golf app. Definitely need it, definitely need it. Oh, let's see what this little bad boy looks like on the wrist. I'm gonna have to charge it up before I power. Definitely get away with it. Oh yeah. Let's take this little puppy off. Whoop. Actually, a nice band. Very flexible. Want to feel?
Yeah, soft.
Was not expecting it to be like that. You look at the watch, you see the numbers on the side. That's for every hole in the golf, 18 holes.
Don't move.
Now, how do you power this?
Does it come with instructions? You didn't check the box?
Of course there's instructions. That's the boring stuff. Okay, so what else comes in the box? As you would guess. This is power cable, USB, and this big book of instructions. Lots of instructions means lots of features. Boy, well, let's get the charging, huh? You know what's weird though? You give this charging cable, but then you have the common courtesy to give you a damn block to charge it. the shenanigans? It's like they expect everyone to have a freaking USB charger block. I know my dad would probably have a freaking real hard time, like, if he were to get something like this. Bullshit. But look at, alright, so here you go. That's where the charging part is. And all you have to do is go.
Did you have to lift any tab or?
No.
It's right up behind your.
Yeah, it's
so
right
it must
there.
be waterproof then, huh?
Yes, this watch is waterproof. You can swim with it.
Really? You wouldn't want to do that though.
Yeah, probably not. Well, maybe. Depends on how much I wear it. Unfortunately for me is I can't wear it at work, but I can wear it every other time. As soon as I plug it in, and look at that dead battery. We'll show you some more as soon as we get some juice in this bad boy. So here's the watch. The Approach S62 Garmin. Here's just a main little screen right here for just a clock. As you see, I walked 974 steps today. It's Monday the 20th. If I want to get to my little widgets, you swipe up or you can swipe down, depending on which side you want to start on. So right here I have weather. Here's the calendar. There's no calendar events for today. The sunset is, or sunrise is at 6:09. Sunset is at 6:52. My heart rate is currently at 84. I've walked 974 steps. My performance in golf thus far does not exist since we're quarantined. Golf rounds, no rounds. Burned 62 calories. The last time I took my oxygen level.
What?
Of my blood oxygen level, it was 95%.
It really does take that?
So right here we go. I can do it again. So I'll just click on that button. It's measuring.
How does it measure that? Well, don't stop breathing. Oh.
Every time I've taken it so far, it's been 95%. So I don't know. I don't know what's good. And you can take some of these widgets out or add them. So as you see, these are the widgets that are currently on there.
That's like really cool that it has so many.
The battery right there, intensity, minutes. So if I were to run, do
What's
intensity.
That music?
The music controls, so it controls the music off from your watch.
Shut up. So you can jog with just the watch?
Well, you have to have the phone on you still. But you can control whether to skip it or whatever. And here's the menu. Right here, I can add my credit card to it, so I can just tap it. Golf settings, I can change the watch face. The different ones.
That's cool.
So if I want to do like golf setting, you click this button right here. And within the golf setting, I can play golf. If I hit that button, it'll search for golf courses around me.
There's like a million.
But if you hit these little 4 buttons down there, this is where you can do your different exercises like run, walk. You have a stopwatch. This swing tempo right here. So when you're swinging the golf club, if you have a good back swing, the front swing, you want like a 3.0, like 3-to-1 tempo. So you can practice that. Oh, all the way back. To run, walk, and yeah, I think you can add different exercises in there, like biking and stuff too. But the alarm clock I can set right there, or I lost my phone. I can just go find my phone.
What?
Oh.
What?
I turned my Bluetooth off, I think. Hold on. That's the reason why I'm not getting shit. Hold on. So then I have to connect my phone. I thought I had it on there.
Well, show us how to connect it.
Oh, that's strange. Well, it says it's...
Is that the app to the phone? To
Yeah.
watch? What the?
So then you go ahead.
That's fancy.
So it doesn't use traditional Bluetooth, whereas like you go into your Bluetooth on your phone and search for the device. As you see, it's connected right there, but through the app is how I connected it. So actually, I wonder if it actually pops up. So most of like this watch gets all of its information through your phone, more or less. Just like the weather, it's what, 79 degrees outside currently in our location, but 81.
Alright.
But yeah, there's our Approach 62. So.
Very cool.
You're not getting your damn fries, Teresa. So as you see, you get your notifications on there. So if I were to get one from Teresa, I would just hit clear.
What? Oh, you're being cute, huh?
So if she were to call too, I would get it. And then actually, because when I'm playing video games, I never have my phone down. So then I guess I'll receive. That's pretty much it. I can't wait to use it on the golf course. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.